Follow this step-by-step installation guide to install your new Grohe product easily. You will find the following items in your package. You will need the following tools and accessories for assembly. Before dismantling your old unit, identify the hot and cold water feeds, then shut off the water supplies. Prepare parts and tools with close access to the connections. Take out the installation instructions. Be sure to store them after installation. Pick up the mixer and watertight seal. Place the watertight seal over the two hoses. Position the watertight so that it sits securely on the base of the tap and hold it there. Insert the hoses through the hole in the sink for the mixer. Place the mixer so that the watertight seal is in contact with the sink. Hold the mixer in this position. Insert the flex hole into the upper part of the high spout. Then fit the entire spout onto the mixer body. Hint: use the hoses to hold the mixer firmly until it is attached. Place the stabilization ring over the hoses and then along the threaded rod. Similarly, place the tightening seal. And then, lastly, place the tightening nut. Hand tighten the nut to the maximum. Release the mixer, which is now held in place, and visually check the mixer's orientation. Adjust it if necessary. Hold the mixer and use a 17mm open-end wrench to tighten the nut without forcing. Under the sink, place one side of the figure-8-shaped ring over the spray hose. Slide the spring onto the spray hose, making sure that the black plastic ends are still in place of the spring. Slide the end of the spray hose through the second figure-8-shaped ring. Hold the spring and the ring, then screw the hose into the end of the push-fit connector. Slide the push-fit connector and lock it into place on the brass rod. Verify that the push connector is correctly fitted by pulling on it. Make sure seals are present in the hoses. If not, add a fiber or rubber seal. Screw the left-hand hose onto the hot water faucet and the right-hand hose on the cold water faucet. Tighten with a 19mm open-end wrench. Make sure that there are no kinks or bends in the hoses. Make sure that movement of the flex hose for the pull-out spout is not obstructed by any obstacles. Turn on your water supply to the basin mixer tap. Make sure everything is watertight. Make sure the mixer is operating properly. Congratulations, you have now finished installing your new Grohe product. Check our other installation guides and discover all of our products on grohe.com/UK.